Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to share your documents with other user on Google Chat application. And now the first thing you have to do, open your Google Chat application, and after that you just need to choose the documents that you want to share to other people or other user. And whenever you already decide the document, you just need to go click these three small dots on the specific documents that you choose. And after that you just need to scrolling down until you found manage access, and now you just need to go click it. And after that you just need to change this general access from restricted into anyone with the link. And after that you can also adjusting the specific permissions that you will give. For example, you only want the other user only able to view, so you just need to go click this viewer. But then if you want to the other user comment into your documents, you can also choose this commenter. But then if you want that other user help you to edit or add several information on your documents, you can also choose this editor. And after you change these permissions access, you just need to copy the link and share the link into your coworkers or other Google Sheet user. So that's the way how to share the documents into another user of Google Sheet. Hopefully the tutorial today is useful for you, and don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.